Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I'll share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 205 pounds without surgery and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, go down there and subscribe. And don't forget to click that bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Good morning everyone, welcome. It is day 17 of my reverse diet and things are going okay today. I am in the car heading out to high school, taking my son. He is going to class and then I'm going to be getting started on my day. But I just wanted to say good morning and hello, and we'll talk to you all in a minute. All right everybody, good morning. Just dropped my son off at school. Just wanted to mention that I am in my other son's car for today, not because my car isn't completely drivable. Dave took it apart and determined that it was the motor mount that was the problem, not the transmission. So that was a good thing until he went to the junkyard and was unable to get a motor mount because there was only one car like mine in the junkyard, and the motor mount was junk. He says my car is more rare and it's harder to find parts for. They looked up the part we need and it's cost more than what we paid for the car. So at this point, we're just gonna drive it with the broken motor mount. It's not totally horrible. He got it sounding pretty good. It's not completely dangerous. I've done this kind of thing before with the Dave because he jury rigs things all the time. It's just what he does. Anyway, so that's the update on the car. We may not have to buy a new car right now, but we definitely have to buy a new car relatively in the near future. So yeah, I'm heading home. I'm gonna try to do some exercise today. Speaking of exercise, today is an exercise in patience. One thing I have learned on this journey is that no good thing ever came to somebody who gave up right away. Admittedly, I was expecting to see the scale heading downward today, and it did not. So I did feel a little pang of disappointment as I got on the scale this morning, admittedly. It could be up because my arms are really sore from lifting that chicken feed yesterday. It's possible. Or the day before. I guess it wasn't yesterday. It was 2 days ago. My arms are pretty sore. My shoulders are sore. So I guess I could be retaining water for that reason, which, you know, whatever. But yeah, I'm getting a little nervous. Not too bad. But, you know, it's normal. It's normal to be worried. You know, I've seen this happen a million times, and you know what I'm doing is right and should be working, and yet it's making me a little nervous. So I'm just telling you how I feel. All honesty here. You know, it's scary to raise your calories up. When you have eaten at low calorie and have not had any success at all, eating at higher calorie and maintaining your weight, it is a little nerve-wracking even to be slowly adding calories when the scale doesn't cooperate. But I am a logical person also, and I know science, and I know that I'm still eating at a deficit, so I know there's no way I'm putting on fat. So regardless of what the scale says, I don't think that is happening. So I'm not panicking over that yet. I did go up a half an inch in my waist. All of my other measurements were the same. I finally got that around to doing that yesterday, which that's pretty normal for me when I'm bloaty. So I'm not stressing over that either, the little half inch, because that's happened to me again, also multiple times. So anyway, we're going to continue on with the day and try not to get too worried about that number and hope for the best. That's all we can do. Hello, ladies. Good morning, Shadow. Guys, I'm super far behind today. It has taken a lot longer to get homeschool done than than it usually does. It's 2 o'clock already. Can you believe that? I'm barely having my second Solé. The kids are finishing up school. Jasper's working on school over there, huh, buddy? Hi. Hi. And this is going to be my first meal of the day. I finally figured it out. So, here, let's see. Blueberry chaffles, the recipes in the recipes playlist. Made with 2 eggs, some sweetener, some cinnamon, 12 grams of blueberries, and on top I have drizzle made from 1 ounce of Philadelphia cream cheese mixed with 2 spoonfuls of Swerve and a squirt of lemonade Mio water enhancer, 30 grams of center cut bacon, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with black cherry Mio, and 24 chocolate chips, or 14 grams of chocolate chips, Lily's brand, dark baking chocolate chips. Then, of course, my sugar-free Jellos. So you can see some of the extra calories for today, since today is my first 1450 day. Came from the chocolate chips and the cream cheese. I've also planned out in advance my entire day of food so that I know that I will hit my 1450 exactly on the nose. So I am doing good for today, even though it took me a little longer. It always kind of takes longer as I'm changing the macros around, changing the calories around, trying to figure out what to eat, because it feels like you should just be able to just add something that's 150 calories into, like I could add a Quest bar, but I just feel like I want to be more creative. So I got a Quest bar in here, plus all of this stuff. So it allows me to be a little bit more creative. Okay, well, I got to get going because I got to eat this, and then we're heading out to the dance studio in about an hour and a half. So got to get done. Right, we are in the car. We got the girlies. They look thrilled. This is our last first day of the year. Last first day of dance, last first day of whatever. Ronnie's first day of teaching jazz to these girls and hip hop. It's gonna be fun. All right, the kids are off in class. I am supposed to be taking the contemporary class in a couple of hours. I don't know, I really feel if I'm up to it or not, but I am gonna go ahead and have my afternoon snack. It's almost 5 o'clock, so I have, of course, Bang. And let's see if I can find all my stuff. I've got 3 sugar-free Jellos and Quest bar. I think I have 3 more of these lemon Quest bars left, and that's it. So finally got through the box. Had these for a couple of weeks now, and you know what? They're growing on me. They're not really as bad as they were the initial first bite. I just was expecting a little bit more lemon, but now I'm kind of used to them. I kind of like them. They're good. Got Solé number 3. And I have number 4 in my water bottle to take to class later.
Do your feet tingle? Are they sore? Are they tense? Are they soft? Okay, that looks so much better, actually.
Nine children. I'm done.
Alrighty guys, it is curry night, and tonight I am having 6 ounces of chicken breast with 155 grams of cauliflower rice. Blended over the top is a mixture of, I don't remember how much. As a mixture of 100 grams of canned tomatoes, 40 grams of onion, and then also I have 2 ounces of drained cottage cheese to mix in, and some Indian spices. It looks amazing. I'm super excited to eat. I had fun at the dance class. I'm glad I did it. It was a little different, but I liked it. I think I might keep going. So that'll be 2 dance classes a week, which is basically what I was doing before. I can't really do ballet because it just doesn't work out with my schedule. So hopefully this is going to be helpful and I'll enjoy it. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and eat this up, and then I've got to get some editing done. I had my last dose of Solé already. I'm going to take my 2 magnesium and my other ritual vitamin. Probably right before I go to bed. So I'm just going to say goodnight to you right now, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. We'll catch you again soon.